Welcome to the demo of the 26A issue an item multiple times in an operation for a process manufacturing work order in Oracle Fusion Manufacturing Cloud. This feature allows you to issue the same material multiple times in an operation for a process manufacturing work order. Allow creation of work order with different attributes of repeating materials to enable granular execution activities. With this feature, your business can gain more transparency while issuing materials. Have granular reporting of material requirements. Get visibility into specific work instructions for repeating materials. As a result, your business will be more efficient in managing the production process. See better collaboration with granular material requirement instructions. Improve productivity due to better traceability. This demo shows you how the feature issue an item multiple times in an operation in process work order enhances your business. First, we'll review the plant parameter to enable this feature. Next, we'll review a formula in Oracle Fusion Product Management with repeating materials. Then, we'll review a process manufacturing work definition based on the formula. Next, we'll review a process manufacturing work order based on the work definition. Finally, we'll review issue transactions of the repeating material in an operation for process manufacturing work order. In the Manage Plant Parameters page, for a process manufacturing enabled organization, a new parameter has been introduced under Manage Production: allow repeated consumption of ingredients in the same operation. Check this attribute to use this feature for your organization. Click on Save or Save and Close. In the formula defined for the PM cheddar cheese, the ingredient PM water is repeating. These repeating instances of PM water have unique find number. These repeating instances can also have unique quantity, supply type, basis type, and other attributes. Note that the ability to define the same item multiple times using unique find number in formula or item structure is available prior to 26A update. Now create a process manufacturing work definition for PM cheddar cheese. Assign all the instances of PM water from the formula to operation 30 of the work definition with unique material sequence. Save the work definition. Note that this capability to define an item multiple times in an operation is also supported when the process manufacturing work definition doesn't reference either an item structure or a formula. Now create a work order for PM cheddar cheese. The repeating instances of PM water in operation 30 are carried over to the work order and are visible in the work order page. Note that you can also add the item directly in the operation in work order, even if it is already assigned to the operation. While executing this work order, the repeating item can be issued multiple times in the operation. The material sequence attribute distinguishes repeating instances of the material. In the production transaction history page, the repeating material issue transactions are visible. Material sequence column is available to be added to the display. This concludes the feature demo. Thank you for watching.